Listening practice. A lost wallet.
Tom was walking home from work when he saw a wallet on the sidewalk. He picked it up and looked inside. There was some money, a driver's license, and a few cards. The wallet belonged to a man named David Green. Tom wanted to return the wallet, so he looked at the address on the driver's license. It was not far away. He walked to the address and knocked on the door. A man opened the door. Tom asked, "Are you David Green?" The man smiled and said, "Yes, I am." Tom gave him the wallet. David checked it and was very happy. Everything was still inside. He thanked Tom and offered him a reward, but Tom politely refused. He said, "I'm just glad I could help." David thanked him again, and Tom continued his walk home, feeling happy.
Where did Tom find the wallet?
On the sidewalk.
What was inside the wallet?
Money, a driver's license, and cards.
What was the name of the wallet's owner?
David Green.
How did Tom find the owner's house?
He used the address on the driver's license.
What did David offer Tom?
A reward.
What did Tom do?
He refused the reward.